Hello everyone, welcome to my new video here. I choose not to do unboxing video here due to some issue of opening this model here. I decided to make the intense repair on gluing the wing and the nose gear that has detached from its aircraft. It is a painstaking to repair and put all parts in together with a die-cast model. And what condition I bought? I bought a used model, which is from Amazon. I don't know why it comes like that, but I hope this will never ever happen again. Then again, it's a painstaking. So now let's reach to its nose of the airplane. Here's the 787-9 Dreamliner nose. Has some good details of Latam Airlines. Here. My camera isn't focusing right now. Here's the L1 door, Latam Airlines logo, and the shape of itself is like a Brazil of continent, I don't know, of South America. If you can see its picture, Latam Airlines. Here's the L2 door, right here. You may see some residue all over the wing because I have did some intense gluing, put some excessive amount of glue, which I will not gonna do that again in the future. But I just want to ensure everything is all glued in nice and secure. Again, some residue from the super glue. Here's the L3 door. Here, the engine right here, it's a Rolls-Royce Trend 1000. That's what the 787 Dreamliner uses. The landing gear itself. Here's the wingtip itself. Sharp. It's called raked wingtip. Raked. And here's the L4 door with some antennas details here. In the middle, I just did remove it to remove some residue from its super glue. Now, here's the registration: Charlie Bravo Golf Mike. The name of the aircraft, Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Here's the tail. Here, the vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilizers, the lights on the rear of the aircraft, some APU exhaust. Here, that's the APU. Some details. Same here. R4 door. rear cargo door hold, R3 emergency exit door. No issue on the right side. Some fuel dump here while in the middle of the flight. Then again, I make some repairs, cosmetic repairs. Here's another engine here. R2 door, front cargo door, R1 here. You can see some Chile flag here. Everything that I fix of this model here is painstaking. Pain. It's when it comes to like buying a used model. Here's the bottom. Gemini Jets logo. Again, my overall review for this model, I would say it's a either 4 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. I'm pretty much am not happy about this unboxing, so I decided not to upload that video. Hopefully you enjoy this video that I made, and please, if you're gonna buy on a used model, think again, take consideration on the possibility damage it will outcome. See you next time. Goodbye.